congratulations on making the semifinals. You mentioned before, after game 4 na this game would been a lot for you guys in terms of yung investment na for future. Now that you got this very big victory, how will this benefit you guys at least for the semi-final series against the Togetex?
Well, to repeat what I said, I told the guys in the dugout before the game that this game will define your reputation, will define your capabilities. It will also show the public how much we have improved through the years, the 2 years that I've been here. For the most part, a lot of these guys have been with us through those 2 years. We felt a little maybe challenged. Kasi alam namin na parang ginusto ng Magnolia na kami makatapat nila. Yung game nila with Converge, I felt yun na mas importante sa kanila yung makapagpahinga daw yung mga players kaysa sa mag-compete sila sa laro na eh. So to me, it was really a conscious choice on their part to play us. And Gabe Norwood kept telling us that we should exact some form of revenge for that. These guys chose us, so maybe maganda na magsisi sila na tayo. So that was put as a challenge.